Hi friends, welcome back to Playtime Creative Time, and we're gonna be drawing together. In this video, we're gonna be drawing a rainbow. First, let's draw the cloud. This is how you draw the cloud. Just a little curve and little curve. And the next one, we draw another one on the right, just like this. And then connect it. Now it's time to draw the rainbow. It's a semicircle. One. And then another one above it. Two. And three. Another one. Four. Five. And then 6 and 7. It's getting bigger and bigger. And then the last one, 8, because we're gonna color the rainbow in 7 colors. Now it's done, we are ready to color. First, we colored it red at the top. And then the second layer from the top, it's orange. And yellow, the third layer or below orange. Then the next is green. I'm using light green. And then blue. Actually it's dark blue. And the next is indigo. And the last one is violet. And we're not gonna color the clouds, just let them white. And it's done. It's beautiful, right? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.